YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. So today I'm going to dive a little bit into Bitcoin, and then I'll probably put out some videos later today just talking about some cryptocurrencies that I'm watching that I'm probably going to be buying on this dip because, guys, you know I like to buy the dip. I've been talking about buying the dip ever since 16K, but hey, what do I know? A lot of people saying that we could still break down to 35K. Today we're going to be talking about the probabilities, the possibilities, and what I think is going to happen in the next week. But guys, keep in mind, this is a highly manipulated market, right? Just in the past 7 days, we've been told a lot of lies. We've been fudded. We've been pumped and dumped on by a lot of whales. And people want answers. People are actually suing the SEC right now, trying to figure out what happened with the Twitter account. Right? They announced that their Twitter account was hacked after announcing that all the Bitcoin ETFs were passed, and then they announced that their account was hacked. Elon Musk did a search into that only to find out that they didn't have two-factor authentication on their account, which is pretty crazy, guys. Isn't that crazy that the SEC still uses the same measures of security on their Twitter account that we have on ours? They don't have any extra layers or anything like that. It's a little disturbing, especially when it causes such a big price impact to our market, right? So many lives affected by these little volatile pump and dumps, but that's what they are, guys. There's a lot of people right now that are in Bitcoin, that they're longing Bitcoin, they're shorting Bitcoin. A lot of people were longing it when we were seeing if we could break out of this resistance right here, right? They saw this cup and handle pattern forming. They were longing it. They made a lot of money here, only for these whales to pull the plug on it. A lot of these guys lost a lot of money. These guys right here that were holding on to this support as well, they lost a lot of money as we saw this rising wedge just completely break down. And now Bitcoin's in a little bit of a free fall, right? Bitcoin hopefully trying to hold on to some support on the 7-day. But as you guys can see, this is actually a bear flag, right? This is a flagpole, and you guys can see this is our flag right here. This is an indicator that we're probably going to be going down a little bit. And we've seen this play out a couple times. Like, for instance, it actually played out right here, right? This is a little flagpole, and then this created this little bear flag. And that's what really initiated this big, massive drop. And so that's really what we're seeing for him again. And this is what I talked about, right, on my channel. Or not on my channel, on my Instagram. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, definitely follow me on Instagram. But I'm gonna start covering more stuff on YouTube. I've just been a little more active on Instagram. It's just easier for me to post these little screenshots and kind of tell you guys like, hey, this is a bear flag. Because again, this is a bear flag. Look at this. This thing is definitely a bearish trend. As you guys could see, we lost our a lot of our upward momentum on the 7-day. As you guys could see, also on the 1 month, looking pretty ugly. Bitcoin trying to find some support, but free falling. Hopefully, we could find some support around the 42 line, but maybe we could bounce a little bit off of that. As you guys can see, the market's just heavily manipulated. It's hard to say where Bitcoin's going to go, but if you are looking at the long term, if you're looking at this 1 month chart, you could see right here as well, Bitcoin looking like it's in a little bit of danger as we're breaking down off of this rising wedge right here, right? Bitcoin a little bit of a free fall. What we could see happen is we could see Bitcoin retrace down to some of these levels, right? Some of these lower levels that a lot of the people are saying that we could possibly see the 35. Before I was literally just yesterday I was saying, just yesterday I was saying on my Instagram that Bitcoin would probably never reach 45,000 again. But again, guys, who would have saw this market manipulation coming? I mean, but this is what they do. So I guess a lot of people would say in the comments that they definitely saw this coming. And if you saw this coming, guys, good on you, because this was definitely against what a lot of the fundamentals were saying. We were definitely expecting to see a cup and handle breakout after this bullish SEC news, but as you guys can see, we didn't see that. It seems like the Bitcoin ETF might even be priced in. Let me know if you guys think in the comments below if you think that the Bitcoin ETF is already priced in, but it could already be that the Bitcoin ETF is already priced in. Hopefully we don't see a massive sell-off, but definitely if we do see a sell-off, I would consider it to be healthy. If we do drop back down to these $35,000 levels, I would look at that as an awesome entry point. If that does happen also, I would expect there to be an absolute bloodbath in the market, guys. So you guys can see the cryptocurrency market cap is sitting at $1.71 trillion. Just last week, though, I think it was sitting at like 1.65. So the market in general is pumping along with Bitcoin as people are noticing Bitcoin is looking bullish. They're starting to take their positions in these smaller meme coins, and then as Bitcoin is dumping, they're starting to or as Bitcoin is starting to look more bearish, or look like it's becoming more volatile, they're starting to take positions. And of course, they're trying to look for better positions. The people that are still bullish for the long term are looking for better positions there at the bottom of those meme coins. The things that I'm shopping for, guys, I'm not going to get too into it in this video, get into my strategies and stuff like that. But I do want to just look at this. We might actually see this bear flag actually break bear on this video right now. So it's kind of interesting. I always do talk about also Thursdays being a really key day in the market. I'm sure you guys that follow me already know I talk about Thursday all the time. I thought that it was really weird that we were seeing a lot of price action on a Monday. We generally don't see that on a Monday. Usually we see a lot of price action on a Thursday. Usually the weekend is honestly a lot of the times in a bull season, the weekends are usually like a time where we could see some sell off. So I'm not completely surprised that we're seeing the sell off. Again, a lot of people buying the rumor and selling the news, right? But can we see a $35,000 Bitcoin? It is definitely possible. Again, yesterday I said it wasn't, but that's the thing. These markets are highly volatile, and I just go by technical analysis, and I try to tell you guys what I'm looking for and show you guys what I'm looking for, so that you guys don't just think that I'm just talking, you know. So as you guys can see, also Bitcoin all-time logarithmic, not really saying much, right? We're just seeing a little bit of chop. The 1 year looking like rising wedge. The all time, let's click all time, but then we'll click out of the logarithm. So the all time, you guys could see it's looking like a little bit of a bull flag actually still pulling up on the all time. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, guys, in the next few hours. I do expect us to know. I expect by the weekend. I mean, honestly, I expect a big sell off, but we'll see. We'll see if we can get a double bottom here. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think is going to happen. Are we going to see another big sell off for Bitcoin, or do you guys think that this is the bottom? Again, fundamentals right now leaning towards a sell off for those of you guys who are just looking at it from a fundamental standpoint. But those of you guys who are looking at this as as just some market manipulation, I could see that too. If you think that could be a possible bottom, if you could see us doing something like this where we just shoot up and then do some craziness. Again, this is not very healthy growth for Bitcoin to have. But this is where money's made, guys. Money's made in these volatile times. So let me know what you guys are buying. Let me know what coins you guys are buying. I'm gonna make another video talking about what coins I'm buying. But before I cut this video, guys, I also am going to be opening up the Discord again. So if you guys are looking to join the Discord, if you're looking for a team to trade with, I'm going to have a free Discord that will give you guys a lot of um, knowledge. It's going to be a place where you guys can connect with people and stuff like that. And it's going to be a place where you guys can also talk about projects that you're a part of, that you're excited about as well. It's not a place to spam. It's not a place to add your entire Telegram for your other meme coin into that group. And for that reason, guys, because we've had so much of that in the past, I am going to also open a paid Telegram group where people are going to have more access to me. It'll be more of a select view. It'll keep out a lot more of the riffraff. So just keep that in mind, guys, that every time that I do open up the Discord, I am always monitoring it, but there's also going to be people, because it's a free resource, that come in there with bad intent. So my goal on this channel is always to educate you guys, to show you guys bad contracts and stuff like that. I've showed you guys how to spot a rug pull. I've made videos about in the past, but I'm going to make a lot more videos about that this season because we're going to see a lot more of that. But I just want to be transparent with that, guys, that, the reason that I'm starting the new Discord is just because I want to be able to provide you guys more value, and I want to keep out a lot of the riffraff that I know that these bull markets can bring. So if you guys, again, are looking to be a part of the Discord, make sure you're following me on IG. So you got to follow me on Instagram, and then you got to DM me on Instagram to let me know that you're following me on Instagram, and then I'll add you into the public Discord where you guys can join. Again, it's going to be kind of like any and everybody can join that one. But if you're looking for like some more targeted help, if you're looking for like some more one-on-one assistance, if you want to meet me personally, I would just much rather I would recommend that you guys go for the paid Discord, because I'm going to be able to be more active in that one, and I should be more active for the people that are disciplined, the people that are paying. Of course, I want them to feel like they're getting their money's worth. So if you're looking to join that as well, you can DM me on Instagram, and I will tell you also the steps so that you guys could join the paid Discord. The paid Discord, I'm gonna have to figure out my schedule because I am also doing real estate right now. So I'll have to figure out my schedule as far as how frequent I'll be posting, but I will be posting again a lot more frequently. So if you guys get a lot out of this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button, and make sure you're following us on Instagram, because you could easily be part of the free Discord. Even if you can't be a part of the paid Discord yet, you could learn a lot from the free Discord, and you could build up some capital. It's only $50 that you would need to join the paid Discord. So again, if you're interested in that, make sure you follow me at JTalksCrypto. I'm going to put it in the description below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.